Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm ZUHAIRY and my group member, which is HAFIZUDDIN, and IMRAN. We present to you our final year project, which is entitled e-SIHAT Health Appointment Mobile Application. Our supervisor is Dr. Asnim bin Harun. So now let's move on to the content of our presentation. Okay, inside our presentation, there are 8 contents, which is the first one, the intro and the product description, and the next one is the problem and the causes. Then move on to the objective for our project, then the methodology that we use, and the next one is the project significant. Next is the market potential of our project, then the demonstration of our project, and move on to the last one is the conclusion. So now I will pass to my fellow group member in order to present the content inside our presentation.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Muhammad HAFIZUDDIN ROSLI. For my part, I will explain about intro and product description, problem and cost, and lastly, objective. Okay, for the intro and product description. First, our product e-SIHAT apps is about booking appointment application, and the users, which is patient and clinics, can register their account to use our apps. And user also can view the status of the booking, such as the pending, confirm, and finish booking. And all the data in our apps are stored using Firebase, which is a real-time database. Next, for problem and causes. First, patient need to wait to their turn to see doctor in the clinics. And the waiting time to see the doctors are so long. So with our apps, it can reduce the waiting time for the patients. Next, no SOP fall well in some clinics because some clinics at the peak hour it's so packed with the patient, so the SOP cannot be followed well. Lastly, patient cannot know booking status in real time. So with our apps, patient can know their status of booking such as pending, confirm, and finish. Okay, for the objectives, we design our app is to design the booking appointment app. Next, to develop more systematic operation that can follow SOP well. Lastly, is to test the booking status is usable so user can see the booking status in real time.
Okay, now for my part which is methodology first. Okay, for methodology, I will explain about our project methodology is based on waterfall model. As you can see, is first we make a requirement. After requirement, we make a design or application, also implementation. After that, and verification and testing. And not only that, for lastly, we make a deployment and the maintenance. Okay, first, getting user requirement. Firstly, our group make a survey using Google Form to users and all the users of our app, which is e-SIHAT app, to get all the requirements needed to add in our application. Secondly, we designing our application interface, which is we design and sketch using Microsoft PowerPoint so that we know what we want to design in this app, which is e-SIHAT app. And thirdly, we develop the application. We develop our application which is e-SIHAT using Android Studio software so that it is easy to design and to add more features. After that, we test our application, which is we test our application using suitable Android device such as Xiaomi and Oppo smartphone, which is we test with my phone, which is Honor, and my teammate's phone, which is ZUHAIRY phones, which is Poco S3, and the other one which is Oppo. That is we use device to testing or testing the application. Okay, for fifth, deployment and publishment of the application. We publish our application once we done to the Google Play Store so that all the users can subscribe and download it in their device. Okay, now For my second explanation, which is I will explain about project significant. Okay, for project significant, you guys can see patient can book appointment and view status of it. Not only that, we reducing the pair of people of waiting for turn for their appointment. Not only that, also it is easier to make an appointment managed by the clinic because clinic have more staff and user can download our application so that the appointment will be smooth.
Okay, next I will explain to you about market potential for our product, which is e-SIHAT mobile application. With our application, clinic can make their operations smoother than before. Clinic can make more profit when the operation becomes smoother. This is because with our app e-SIHAT, clinic can arrange their appointment more systematic than before, so the operation will become smoother. And the next one, patient can reduce their budget for making an appointment. Before, patient need to attend to the clinic in order to make an appointment. But with our app, patient can just book their appointment within their fingertips at their smartphones. Okay, now is the project demonstration. This is the flowchart of our project demonstration. The first one is the registration and the login, and then go to the booking and get certification of the booking. And the last one, the booking is finished. And admin also can view all the data inside our app. Okay, this is the login and registration page. Okay, like you can see, this is the first one, which is the welcome back stuff. This is the clinic login. Before clinic login, clinic need to register their clinic first. Same goes to the patient. They need to register first, and then they can log in to the account. Okay, this is the patient booking appointment. The first one, patient will choose their clinic. After they choosing their clinic, they will choose the preferred date and time. We will also eliminate any date or time that has been booked by other user. Okay, this is the details that user need to fill before sending the booking to the clinics. Okay, this is clinic view booking. After user has sent the booking appointment to the clinic, clinic can see in their booking status, and then clinic can confirm the booking. After clinic have confirmed the booking, the user will get notification that their booking has been confirmed by the clinic. Okay, this is the admin page. Admin can view all the data inside our app, which is in the Firebase, which is like the patient list, clinic list, and all the booking list. Okay, this is the Firebase real-time database. Okay, we use real-time database in order to store all our data inside our app. As you can see, there are some table which is like booking list, the clinic list. The question list is for the FAQs and the users with the clinic and the patient. Okay, last one, the conclusion. For our app appointment booking, which is e-SIHAT mobile application, it will play a leading role in some of the clinic, hospital, and appointment booking that will become more easier in the future. With our app, we can make our client life, which is our clinic and patient life, easier than before with the installation of our app. Different from other product exist before, we will deliver wow factor of our app that are very different from others. Okay, that's all from my group ZUHAIRY about our presentation for final year project. Thank you.